Hey good people, it's Kat with Kat Wearing Photo. Now let's do color grading. So with the shadows, again I start with the shadows and then I'll jump to the highlights. My workflow, that tends to work for me. What color should I go for, y'all? I guess for this shoot, I'm doing midtones just to see what that provides. And then the global, let's figure that out. Ooh, that one's, I don't know, y'all. I might like the green a little bit. What do you guys think? That might be... Yeah, I think that's pretty good. Before, after, what do you guys think? Again, drop me a comment below. I want to know what your thoughts are, any recommendations, or if you enjoy it. See, and that's one key tip here. A lot of times if you are indecisive or you're getting lost in the colors, it's good to do a split before and after screen, just to see how far you are from the original color. So I really love to know your thoughts. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel. And if you want some notifications on each time that I upload, then please click that bell notification. But thanks so much again. And until next time, take care.